Hi, my name is Sharon,
I'm Edwin.
and we are with Dame Mass Dance, and in today's short Kizomba tutorial video, we will be doing the bounce step. So as I mentioned, in today's video, we will be doing the bounce step. So we'll do it obviously in couple position, and Edwin, you can choose wherever you think would be the best position to start.
So from this position, our frame is going to be such that our hand is going to be positioning her in the middle of her back, our left arm nice and straight up, and we're going to take 4 steps, and we're going to gently turn the girl by applying a little bit of pressure to the rib cage on this side, and then on the way back we're going to release that pressure, and we're going to change the pressure to the tip of my fingers in order to guide her to turn directions in the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this position, same steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this position, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lastly but not least, final position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the lady side.
So ladies, our left hand is going to be up pretty high. I guess it depends on the size of the lead, but for me it's comfortable to have my hand here, so depending on how tall or how short they are, you would adjust this, and you make sure you maintain your weight so you're not putting pressure down on the lead. And as he turns us, you're going to feel pressure in your back, so 1, 2, and this hand here will slide to make it more comfortable to do the movement. And you also make sure that you stay parallel with the lead, so our chests are always facing each other to maintain that connection. So that's 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So change to this direction. Step out 1, turn 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, 1, turn 2. So I drop my arm, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you can adjust it when you get back to facing each other head on. In this last position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
There you have it.
So let's put those moves to music.
Let's do this.
So I hope you enjoyed that mini tutorial on the bounce step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimassdance.ca, and please check us out on Facebook at Demimass Dance Studio and on Instagram at Demimass Dance.
Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching.